Why empaths are drawn to animals and nature. Empaths are naturally sensitive beings, deeply attuned to emotions and energies in their surroundings. In a world that can often feel overwhelming, they find solace and renewal in the presence of animals and nature. Unlike human interactions, which can be complex and draining, nature and animals offer unconditional connection, grounding, and healing energy that align perfectly with an empath's sensitive spirit. The first is the healing energy of nature. Spending time in nature allows empaths to reset and recharge. The natural world is free from the chaotic energy of human emotions, providing a sanctuary where empaths can find peace. The rhythmic sounds of flowing water, rustling leaves, or chirping birds create a calming environment that helps soothe emotional overwhelm. Scientific studies have shown that nature reduces stress and promotes emotional well-being, making it an ideal refuge for empaths. The second is the unspoken bond with animals. Empaths often share a deep and unspoken connection with animals. Unlike humans, animals communicate through body language, energy, and pure emotion, something empaths easily pick up on. This mutual understanding creates a profound bond of trust and comfort. Many empaths find that animals offer companionship without the emotional complexities of human relationships, providing love and presence without judgment. Spending time with animals has been proven to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, offering a natural therapeutic effect. The third is grounding through nature. Nature serves as an anchor for empaths, helping them release absorbed emotions and reconnect with their inner balance. Walking barefoot on the earth, breathing in fresh air, or simply sitting under a tree can help empaths ground themselves, preventing emotional burnout. Engaging with the natural world helps them feel more centered, energized, and at peace. To conclude, for empaths, the draw toward animals and nature is more than just preference. It is a necessity for their emotional well-being. The natural world and the unconditional companionship of animals offer a sanctuary from the intensity of human emotions. By embracing their bond with nature and animals, empaths can maintain balance, restore their energy, and continue to share their gifts of compassion and healing with the world. Thanks for watching.